Namaskar, I am Anand and you are in the live class of Join for Education. In this class, I am going to solve the questions of NCERT Exemplar problems, question number 18 and 19. And after that, some objective questions. Let's see the question number 18. In the last class, I have solved up to question number 17. Let's see the question number 18. If you have the NCERT exemplar textbook, then find out your textbook and open your textbook and find the question number 18 of trigonometric inverse trigonometric function. Let's see. In this question, say us saw that ten. Let's start 1/2 sine inverse 3/4 equal to 4 minus √7 by 3 and justify why the other value 4 plus √7 by 3 is ignored. So this is the question. Let's see the solution of this question. So we have 10 1/2 sine inverse 3/4 equal to 4 minus √7 by 3 from LHS. 10 whole start 1/2 sine inverse 3/4. So let 1/2 sine inverse 3/4 equal to theta, then this one will be tan theta. So here will be, or next step here will be sin inverse 3 by 4 equal to 2 theta. Therefore here will be sin theta or sin 2 theta equal to 3 by 4. So we convert this one into tan theta. Then we know that sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We convert sin 2 theta into tan theta. Why? Then we have this one will be theta. We suppose this one theta. So we find out what is the value of tan theta. Therefore, sin 2 theta converted into tan theta. So your next step will be, after the cross multiplication, we get here 3 plus 3 tan square theta equal to, here will be 8 tan theta. Now move 8 tan theta in the left hand side. Then we get here 3 plus 3 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta equal to 0. Now we arrange this one. Then we get here 3 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta plus 3 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation in tan theta. We write down here. This is quadratic equation in tan theta. Therefore here will be a equal to 3, b equal to minus 8, and c equal to 3. Therefore here will be tan theta equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over root by 2a. Now we putting the value of a, b, c. Then we get here tan theta equal to, the value of b is here minus 8. So we write down here minus 8 plus minus, we write down here b square. It means that minus 8 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 3 and value of c is also 3 over root by 2a, that we write down here 2 into the value of a is 3. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So the next step here will be tan theta equal to minus minus plus. Then we write down 8 plus minus a square of minus 8 will be 64, and here will be minus 36. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see why here will be 6. So the next step here will be 8 plus minus 64 minus 36 equal to 28 over a root by 6. And here will be equal to 8 plus minus, and here we write down here 4 into 7 equal to 28 by here will be 6. The next step here will be 8 plus minus 2 under root 7 by 6. Of that there is no problem to understand up to this step. S square root of 4 is 2. So here next step will be, now we take 2 as the common, then we get here 4 and plus minus root 7 by 6. We cancel out this one, then we get here 3. So here we get tan theta equal to 4 plus root 7 by 3 or 4 minus root 7 by 3. In this question, ask us or say that we ignore the value of 4 plus root 7 by 3. So why we ignore this one? Let's see here. If we consider about this one, then 4 plus root 7 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2 or 5 by 2, since maximum value of this one will be 1. So we ignored this one. So write down here uh, 4 plus root 7 by 3 greater than 1 by 2, since maximum value of tan 1 by 2 sine inverse 3 by 4 equal to 1. So here LHS will be and we ignore 4 plus root 7 by 3. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this one. Hope that there is no problem to understand. The solution of question number 18. Let's see the solution of question number 19. If let's see the question number 19. If A1, A2, A3, AN is an arithmetic progression, with common difference D, then evaluate following expression. Tan, tan inverse D by 1 plus A1 into A2 plus tan inverse D by 1 plus A2 into A3 dot plus tan inverse D by 1 plus A n minus 1 into A n. So let's see the solution of this question. Here will be A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to dot 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 an minus an minus 1 equal to d. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here. And the form of the question will be 10 tan inverse here A2 minus A1 by 1 plus A2 into A1. Similarly, here will be tan inverse A3 minus A2 by 1 plus A3 into A2 here plus at last tan inverse an minus 1 by 1 plus an into an minus 1. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here will be equal to 10 and we write down here tan inverse A2 minus tan inverse A1 for this one. Similarly, here will be tan inverse A3 minus tan inverse A2 and at last we have tan inverse an minus tan inverse an minus 1. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. After the cancelled out here we get this one and so on we cancelled out and we get only this term, then we write down here 10 and we write down here this one first of all tan inverse an minus this one tan inverse a1. Now we recall the formula, we know that we write down here we know that tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. So according to this one will be here. We write down equal to 10 tan inverse an minus a1 by 1 plus an into a1. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Again we know that 10 into tan inverse equal to this one. So we write down here equal to an minus a1 by 1 plus an into a1. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So this one will be the answer. After there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 17 and 18. At this time, internet speed is very good. Therefore, I arrange the class in the 10:30 p.m. So in the next class, I will solve rest problems. Hope that this class will be useful to the schooling student as well as JEE men or advanced aspirants who want to clear their basic concepts related to the inverse trigonometric function. I am going to over this class and early morning I will also arrange the class. In this time internet speed is very good. Therefore, I arrange the classes uh, after 10:30 p.m. Now I am going to over this class.